Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to add email symbol in Word. So this is pretty simple and easy. You need to type 2709 and press Alt X all together. The number will instantly transform into the email symbol. In the second method, you need to click on the insert and click on the icons. So make sure your computer must be connected with the internet. In the search box, you need to type mail and hit enter. And here you will see that two email icons. You need to select it and click on insert. Now copy this email symbol and now head to the file, click on the option, click on the proofing, click on the autocorrect option, and here you need to type email, and in that next box you need to paste the symbol and click add and click OK and click OK. And now type email and hit enter. It will convert to the email symbol. So this way you can easily add email symbol in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.